Hey guys, so I'm going to walk you through how to write an introduction today. I know we've learned this a lot this year, but I figured with this new topic of the trampoline parks, it might be good for you guys to have an example to get you started. So today's Tuesday, and today your task for writing is to make sure you've completed an introduction. So yesterday you did your reading and annotating your texts, and then you planned out what your opinion is and your two reasons. So we're going to use those today. So make sure you go back and look at your planning pages or wherever you wrote down your opinion and two reasons. Use those to help you with your introduction today. So I wrote my name, the date, opinion writing. I wrote a title, Trampoline Park, should we have them? You can use this title if you'd like, and make sure you have this set up with your name. And then I wrote down what needs to be in an introduction, just to remind you. So we're doing opinion writing, so you're going to need to have a hook still, a connecting sentence, and then you need to state your opinion and two reasons at the end of your introduction. So let's start off. I'm going to click the tab button, which is the top left of your keyboard. Tab, and it spaces over the beginning of your paragraph. It always should do that. So let's come up with a hook. So I was thinking about writing something along the lines of asking people maybe if they've ever been to a trampoline park, so it gets them thinking. Or you could say something like, what do you like to do for fun that requires you to be active instead of sitting and just playing on technology? Just because this is kind of where we're going with this paragraph, because trampoline parks are different than, playing video games and things. You could ask them that question. You could say, have you ever been to a trampoline park? So there's your hook. So it gets kids thinking, what's something I can do to be active and have fun that I like to do instead of just sitting around? And then it gets the readers knowing that we're probably going to be talking about trampoline parks right here. So that's our hook, okay? And then we're going to look at writing a connecting sentence. So I need to tell my readers kind of what I'm telling them about within my paper, which is trampoline parks. So I'm going to say trampoline parks are seen by some people as a germ infested location, while others see it as a great way to have fun. I agree with the people who like trampoline parks. So I told them what my opinion is, okay? I'm going to just remind them that I think trampoline parks should continue to be open because, so I just stated my opinion here. I think they should stay open. If you think the opposite of that they should close down, right? I think trampoline parks should be closed down. And then make sure you write because, and I'm going to write my two reasons here. So I've done my hook, check, my connecting sentence where I told them what I'm going to be writing about, which is the trampoline parks right here. Whoops. And then I stated my opinion, and now I need to come up with my two reasons. My two reasons why I like trampoline parks and they should continue to be open are because they provide a different way to exercise, and it is another option to choose from when you have free time. So my first body paragraph is going to be about how I want trampoline parks because they're a different way to exercise, and I'm going to talk about how exercising is good for you. My second body paragraph will be about how it's another option to choose from. So I would talk in my second body paragraph about how sometimes the only options you can do, let's say it's raining outside, you would be stuck in the house. However, if you've got a little bit of money saved up, you could, go to a trampoline park, and that way you're still having fun. It's something to choose from that doesn't require you sitting down the whole time. Or it still just adds another option in so that you're not, having to play the same video games and things all the time. So that's my introduction. you need to just make sure it has the things above right here, a hook, which is one sentence at least. I have two here, but that's fine if you just want to use one. Don't copy mine. A connecting sentence telling us about trampoline parks, and then stating my opinion and 2 reasons. Please make sure when you state your 2 reasons, you don't go into detail about them. Like, I don't say how it's a different way to exercise because exercising is good for you. They don't need to know that exercising is good for you yet. I'm going to mention that in my body paragraphs tomorrow, okay? So this is all you need to work on getting done today. I hope this video was helpful, and post questions on the trampoline assignment if you have any questions that need answered. All right, have a great day.